So in a couple weeks, we're going to be taking our 2 labs with us, and the whole reason that we lean towards this over the Jayco model of the same bunkhouse layout was the fact that we could potentially remove this door and put a dog bed under it, so it'd essentially be a 3-bed bunkhouse, the bottom level for the dogs, and then our son would be in the middle, and then we'll have storage up top until our new baby is in the middle one and our older son moves up to the top bunk. But regardless, the dog bed's gonna go down there with the lights coming out from this wall, and then we'll probably make this a little sofa or couch, because we don't really use the dinette, and I'm sure our chocolate lab will either sleep on that or sleep on the bed itself with us. So here's a little of what I'm doing. When you come into the back of the Wolf Pup through this short door, this is literally just held in place by 3 screws. The bit that fits is an S2 square for whatever they put in mine, and there's just 1 screw here, another screw here towards the center, and then 1 more screw right here, and then basically exactly where those screws are screwed at the bottom, there's a staple here at the top. You can't really see it, but there's the staple, there's a staple, there's a staple, and then I'm having trouble removing the staple with a flat head. It's just the pressure they used pushed it way too far into the wood, so I think I'm just gonna pry it, and the wood shouldn't give out before the 3 staples. So there's the 3 screws, pretty long in there, but just slowly worked it. And now we have a complete open space. I can walk around here. So you can see we have a wide open space now where we can put, essentially turn that entire area into a dog kennel without a wall, since we're not gonna ever leave them in the camper without us.